What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to use Steam's new big picture format and basically everything you need to know about it, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, how to access Steam's big picture format. So big picture is currently available on any PC running Windows 7 or newer, or any Mac running macOS 10.11 or later, and Linux machines using up-to-date versions of Ubuntu. So on the Mac, a third-party driver must be used to enable the Xbox 360 controller. A driver is available from the tattyboogle.net. So how to launch it? Basically, the first you need to connect your computer to your TV. The method of connecting your computer to your TV depends on your computer hardware. So basically you can use AMD cards, Intel cards, or NVIDIA cards. You can check it out on this page. So how to launch a big picture mode? Once your computer is running on the desired display, launch Steam. Click on the big picture button featured in the top right corner in the Steam client, or press the home button on your computer while using the Steam client. To exit this mode, click or press your controller's A button while focused on the exit button in the upper hand corner of the screen. Another quick way to go into and out of big picture full screen mode is to press Alt plus Enter on your keyboard. So there are some menus on the big picture. Basically we are having your profile, then you can manage download button, settings, exit, and the time, and of course we are having Steam menus, which is web browser, store, library, community, and chat and friends. So guys, that's the entirety of the process on how to enter big picture mode on Steam. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.